please do follow my Insta account and my Facebook account.
Hey everyone, would you like to have conversation with me? Then this video is for you. Make sure that you are going to watch this video till the very end, because in this very video I am going to tell you the procedure, how can you connect with me and how can we have conversation. But having said that, I have some conditions for you and you must apply. These conditions must be applied on each and every person, no matter whether you are a beginner or you are on intermediate level or advanced level. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Dehati ma'am, and this is Yashoda. And friends, I know that all of you are so eager, you are so excited to have conversation with me. But first of all, let me know, what is your purpose behind having conversation with me? For doing practice, for doing speaking practice, or there must be some other reasons because of which you want to have conversation with me. It could be you want your videos get viral, okay? You want to promote your videos or channels. I'm not saying that it's bad for anyone if anyone wants to do that, because there is no doubt on my channel currently there are 3,50,000 subscribers, okay? I'm not saying that I'm speaking good English. I know that there is a room for improvement and definitely I will work. But since I belong to a village, being a villager, being a homemaker, hardly I get time for my speaking practice. That's why I'm not able to give reply to anyone. And sometimes even after giving my time, I I can't be there at that particular time. So that's why I'm not giving reply. And there is also something which is holding me back from taking sessions. Why? Because I also have some doubts, because most of the time most of the YouTubers, they message me, okay? They send me emails on my email ID as well as on my Skype ID. But I think most of them, they are YouTuber, and each and every time they just ask about my journey. How did I learn this language? And that's it. I have to in each and every conversation, I have to just introduce myself. Then I have to only tell about my journey. How did I learn this language, and how did I become fluent in this language, and what all procedures uh, did I use to become fluent in this language? That's it. They don't want to talk on any topic, but it's not good for me. If I really want to elevate my speaking level, then I must speak on random topics. Talking about nonsense things is totally waste of time, not only for me, but for the person whom I'm going to speak with. So, making the purpose of making this video is only one, that I want you, all of you, to tell you that if you also eager, if you are kind of person who is very curious to have conversation with me, then there is no doubt I always welcome you with open arms. But there is some conditions, and the condition is very simple. Yeah, there is no doubt we have to talk about ourselves if we are strangers, if we meet for the very first time. So we must do our introduction in that particular video, but it would be quick introduction. By the way, in my most of videos, in my most of previous videos, I told about everything, and I told about my life. So there's no need to exaggerate this thing a lot. If we really want to become fluent in this language, then we must find a topic and then we get some knowledge. And after that, then we should go for conversation and then we should talk on a particular topic so that we can get some information from each other, and what are our imagination and visualization about that particular topic, and how can we express our point of view on that topic. And then it would be really very helpful for both of us to accumulate some knowledge, to get some knowledge, to learn some vocabularies, to learn some phrases as well as some idioms. Only for getting viral your videos, if you want to do conversation with me, then no, I don't want to do this. Because right now, even though I took that step again to have conversation, but then again I stopped working on this, and that's why I'm lagging behind, because I'm not able to do conversation a lot. First of all, I don't get a proper time, I don't have a proper schedule, because in the night time it's not possible for me to have conversation. In the morning time it's not possible for me to have conversation. I'll be able only in the afternoon between 12 to 3 p.m., not before that and not after that. So if you really want to connect with me, then you can connect, but the particular time in which you can connect with me is from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. And if you want to connect with me, then there's so many people are there who already knew my Skype ID, and they connect me through. If you don't know, okay, then there is my Instagram ID. You show the 5944. You can DM me over here, and then I will let you know my Skype ID, because I don't want to share my Skype ID as well as my number, because I don't want to get disturbed by the subscribers. Or there are so many people, they just talk nonsense. They don't have any aim for having conversation with me. So it doesn't mean that means now I'm having that much subscriber, it means I'm getting rude. No, it's just because of I don't have that much time. Okay, I'm my life is totally different. All the circumstances and situations are totally different from your life. The way you live is totally different. The way I'm live is totally different. So we shouldn't judge each and everyone on the basis of ourselves. It's like if you have so much time for speaking practice, it doesn't mean that I also have that much time, because living with your in-laws and spending time with in-laws, taking care of your in-laws as well as your family, and doing work related to farm as well as taking care of your cattle, it's time consuming. And yeah, that's it. I wanted to tell you. And if you're really very eager, then you can comment me. Just please do follow my Insta account and my Facebook account. There are more than 350,000 subscribers, okay, on my YouTube channel. On the other hand, on my Facebook page, there are only 117 followers. Is this right? No, it's not right. So, what you're supposed to do, try to follow my Facebook page as well as my Insta page, so that I can grow. And I don't want to grow just because of I want some money. No, I want to grow just for to change the mindset of the people of my village, as well as the especially that patriarchal society which always take me granted. Okay, please don't take me granted. If I look in this way, then it doesn't matter. Then it doesn't mean that I don't know anything. If the way if my attire is so simple, then it doesn't mean that whatever I speak, I speak only after just like something I have written on a page, and then I'm watching it, and then I'm talking in front of you. No, whatever I speak from my mind. Everything is got stored in my subconscious mind, and because of this I'm able to speak in front of you. And I have seen in my so many videos, I have seen some comments, and they said only one thing: oh, she must be uh, reading something which is written on page. So that's not right. Don't judge a person on the basis of their attire or their appearance. It would be not good for you. And yeah, we will meet in the next video, and I will definitely continue my conversation videos. But please, it's my humble request, whenever you want to get connect to me, then have some topic, then we will continue with this topic. Okay, and for now it's time to say goodbye. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.